Okay, so today I am going to unbox my Sisterlocks Trainee kit. Okay, so inside the box, we have, this one is an extra large, but it looks like it's pretty big. Sisterlocks shirt. Hey, let's see. Let's put the Sisterlocks shirt on real quick. It's not too big. Ooh. Sisterlocks shirt look nice on me. And then they gave me 3 kits. I already gave out 2. This one goes to someone. 3 starter kits. Because I think you have to get 3 establishments done to be established as a consultant. So if you take the class, I think it'll be a good idea to take enough money there so that you can buy like your first 10 of these. I wish I would have did that, so then it would have came in probably with this same package that I would have already have, because I'm already done. This one is already gone and I actually don't have enough already, so I need to get more. Then we got the Sisterlocks Salon Shampoo, Sisterlocks Spray Moisturizer, the green tea shampoo, and I haven't tried any of these things, so I'll let y'all know what I feel about how these are. The Reconstructor conditioner. Now, I don't know what stage you have to be in to have to get this. We have the starter shampoo. I'm definitely going to try this on Giselle. See how it does for her locks. I will be using the green tea shampoo, and I'm going to try the salon shampoo as well. And then last but not least, we have the moisture treatment. So they give you one of each product, I guess, so that you can kind of try it out or sell it. You do want to offer all Sisterlocks products. So I'm really excited about being a trainee. I'm going to put in some clips of me being a trainee. I'm going to do a video on like tips and tricks for a trainee. I still have to get equipment. Like I need to get a styling chair, a mat, a mirror set up for my clients. I want to get an actual salon location so I can be professional. If you enjoyed this video, also I want to say that a lot of times when I was done with my installations, I did soak in the tub with hot water, Epsom salt, because my body did ache. It was very painful. Like it was it was painful. That's period. I had like a pain in the middle of my back. It was in the middle of my back, and it was rough, but I just had to fight through the pain to get these locks done. But it's fun. It's fun to get to know your client. It's fun to give birth to Sisterlocks. It's fun to watch people's confidence change and boost. And I don't know. I think it's something. It's really cool to be a Sisterlocks trainee or consultant. So, and if that's something that you want to do it. I still see mistakes that I make, like my lines. I still gotta do better on some of my lines. I gotta do better on some of the size of my locks. I think I should make some of my locks a little smaller. So I'm still working on it before I send it out. And I only did 1 adult so far, and I need 3 adults. So I do have a special right now. It's $4.50 for 4 inches and under, $50 for each additional inch. Your installation is included in a 3-way package. It's a consultation, installation, and a follow-up visit. Also, also at my retightenings, I give my clients a Sisterlocks survival kit. those are going to be available for other people too. If you want to purchase one, I'm going to be giving away a Sisterlocks survival kit real soon, so look out for that. But and I'll talk to y'all about what's that in another video. So all that's included. Sisterlocks survival kit is at a like $50 value. Stuff that you can use during your beginning of your journey and throughout your journey to make your journey easier, and stuff that I wish I knew that I should have had, and things that help me survive my Sisterlocks journey so far. That'll be in that kit. So yes, I'm on a whole new level, y'all. I am serious about these Sisterlocks out here. They say if you want to master a skill, you have to do it over and over and over until you get it together, and that's what I'm doing right now. Also, you need to take classes and research, and that's what I have done as well. I am serious about these Sisterlocks. I definitely want to make a change out here in the Sisterlock world. I'm here for my peoples, my families, my boos, because I love you. And if you haven't subscribed, I really don't know what you're doing. I just don't know. But if you have, thanks for joining the family. Keep on coming in. Okay. Okay, bye.